Now I'm in the makeup room. It's pretty in here. Got a little fireplace and little leather chairs. It's the waiting room. This is where she's gonna do the makeup. Okay. So I brought my own makeup. Something I know ain't gonna break me out, and something I know is my color. Here's my beauty blender. She's sanitizing some brushes right now.
I'll be right back.
Okay. You see how she does, coming up all these freckles and moles and heckles and jeckles and discoloration and acne and everything. We're gonna see how I look walking out of here. I used to go to beauty culture school, but it was a teacher there always making sure we didn't do, mess up nobody. And my teacher said I was so good, she would let me do her hair. I was perming her hair and curling it. Back then they were using French perm, and they used to take everybody's hair out. Hope they don't hear this and sue me, but it took people's hair out after a while. And they got better and better. But I didn't stick with cosmetology.
Brushes. I need to buy me more brushes. These my brushes, so you my grandma, so I don't care. You don't got nothing.
Okay.
You don't have anything.
She's setting up, y'all.
Trying mascara. Look at it. I hate these chairs. You have to tell like that's probably gonna hurt.
This chair don't pump up. It pumps up. Yes, I can get up.
Oh, wait. Sorry. Oh, you gotta get up and do it. Oh.
No, I don't think so, but I'll get up. Let me see. All right, let me see. That lady need to come do it.
You know what? Oh, okay.
You ain't got no pillow. I can get one of them pillows to raise me up some. I don't think they're supposed to be sat on.
Oh well, they gonna get sat on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just use one.
I like this one.
Yeah.
It's cute. That didn't help much because I'm heavy. I'm kind of heavy.
Okay.
Which way you want me to turn?
Your tune was like, girl, crazy. All right. You gotta hold your head up a little. I don't wanna hurt you.
I'll give you a whooping. You hurt me. I'm supposed to do the eyebrows last.
Oh, that's only because of the exams.
Okay.
So when we're over here, we could do whatever. That was with us. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to pull you. I'm just trying to like right here.
Oh, Lord. I don't wear black at all.
You gotta complete it.
Okay.
I'm not done.
Okay. Get lint all on your shoulder.
Oh. Probably want some.
Let me turn this off because you're going to be in front of it.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
Alright. So they
Do this one first, then I'll just turn it off for this one. You want to explain what you're doing for the honeys?
I'm cleaning up her eyebrow.
With concealer.
Yes. I usually drag it down to the lid. And this is perfect because it's your color. Even though I'll be using it.
Okay. All right now.
You're gonna be a little hot little bang.
Oh my. She gonna fix it, y'all. Let me turn it off.
Alright.
Okay, this is the finished product. Kalia hooked my face up. It's very different from what I would have done, but she's a professional now. So, nude lips are lined. I never use a lip liner. I actually do like my eyebrows, my dark. She made them dark, and I never use black, but I like them. And she put blush on a little different than what I do. She used a highlighter. Okay, so I still got bags, but you don't see them as much. You know, when I put on my makeup, you can still see the bags, but you don't really see them now. Wish I was going somewhere. So, okay, so this is the finished look. I like it, and I got 3 compliments walking out the door. People who didn't work there. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.